sa hangin, tumindig at magsilbing.
Good morning, Dissensions! Welcome to the Meeting the Avance, a special event dedicated to our aspiring FPO officer, giving them the opportunity to show what they are truly made of. As we begin, let us give a warm round of applause to our Senior High School Department Head, Mr. Georgie Oyo, as we invite him to deliver his opening remarks.
To our Senior High School Academic Coordinator, Ma'am Kimberly Magbaon, LAS Coordinator ng Traffic of Discipline, Ma'am Emily Consul, Mr. Marvin Atienza, our Activity Coordinator, Ms. Mariclor Navales, SBO Advisor, Ma'am Perry Notre, ComSelect Advisor, the members of the Senior High School faculty, outgoing SPO officers, ComSelect officers, dedicated candidates, students, good morning. This is your moment to listen critically, to ask boldly, and to decide wisely who will carry your voice forward. To the candidates, today you stand not just as individuals, but as symbols of hope and change. Your courage to lead, to innovate, and to serve inspire us all. We challenge you to speak with clarity, humility, and fire, because leadership is not about titles, but about action. To my fellow student, this is your stage. Engage personally. Ask the top question. Hold these candidates to the standards you deserve. Remember, your vote is your power. A power to demand accountability, inclusivity, and progress. Mabuhay ang Student Body Organization. Mabuhay ang Senior High School Department. Marami pong salamat.
Our outgoing SPO President, Jared Dargis.
Sa ating kagalang-galang ng Senior High School Department Head, si Georgie Oyo, Academic Coordinator, Ma'am Kimberly Magbaon, sa aming butihing SPO Advisor, Ma'am Mariclor Navales, ComSelect Officials na pinamumunuan ni Ma'am Freddy Nopre at Ginoong Marco Sanchez, sa lahat ng mga guro at sa lahat ng Vincentians, pagbati ng isang magandang buhay sa ating lahat.
I am Jordan Rodesus, the outgoing Student Body Organization President, standing here with great pride and honor as I deliver an outgoing speech on behalf of the outgoing SBO Batch 2024 to 2025. The presence of 4 aspiring parties this year, rising from the 3 previous years, is not a mere statistic. It is a profound reflection of the growing spirit of civic engagement in our school community. It proves that more and more students are choosing not to remain silent spectators, but to rise as torchbearers of change and development. To all of you dreaming of becoming a student leader, step forward, not with the certainty of success, but with the willingness to grow. You may not always get the result that you hope for, but you will always walk away wiser, braver, and better. One thing that I always told myself was, whatever happens, will happen. Que sera, sera. I know that I could do it, and I know that I was ready. And if I wasn't, I was willing to learn how. And now, I want to pass on the same encouragement to all of you, to embrace your potential, take the leap, and go beyond. Because you will never know what you're capable of unless you try. Let us remember that the SPO election is not about popularity, it is not about power, and it is not about looks or fame. It is about stepping into the deeper calling of leadership to serve our fellow students, foster unity, and make a difference. And most importantly, to every Vincentian, we serve because of you, and we led because we believe that we could. Naway palaging mangibabaw ang kabutihan at kahusayan sa SPO. At lagi ninyong gawin ang lahat ng bagay na pinag-isipan ng matalinong isip at aksyon mula sa puso. Tandaan na ang dapat na manalo sa eleksyon ay hindi ang mga kandidato, kundi tayong mga bumoboto. Maging matalino sa pagboto at bumoto ng matalino. Muli, mula sa Decalibre Party List, Decalidad at Decalibre, Joren Gar de Jesus for excellence, for success, and for every good chance. Pagbati ng isang matagumpay na eleksyon at kausayan sa ating lahat. At sa lahat ng oras, bagay o anumang pangyayari, tandaan ninyo na laging maganda ang ating buhay. Maraming salamat po.
Liwanag. Liwanag sa dilim.
Isang magandang buhay, First, pinakilala ko ang partido ng Vincentio!
Turing ang iyong sariling tagahawi ng ulap sa kalangitang kulimlim. Kampanang yayanig sa bawat nilalang, magigising ang lupang kulang sa dilig. Ikaw ang magsasabing kaya mo to, tulad ng isang tanglaw sa gitna ng bagyo. Isigaw mo sa hangin, tumindig at magsilbing liwanag, liwanag sa dilim. Liwanag. Liwanag sa dilim.
Magandang araw, Vincentio! Makakarinig ba ako ng isang malakas na bang? Servisyong totoo, servisyong malinis.
Liwanag sa dilim. Harapin mo, magiting ang bagong awitin. Ikaw ang liwanag sa dilim. Oh, oh, oh. At sa paghamon mo sa agos ng ating kasaysayan, uukit yan ng bagong daan. Ikaw ang aawit ng kaya mo to, isang panalangin sa gitna ng gulo. Isigaw mo sa hangin, tumindig at magsilbing liwanag. Liwanag sa dilim.
Isang pagbati, mahal ko, Vincentio! Isa na bang perfect? Isa pa? Isang perfect? Muli, kami ang inyong huli party list. Ako, si Clotilde Judy, ang magpapakilala sa partido.
Liwanag sa dilim. Harapin mo, magiting ang bagong awitin. Ikaw ang liwanag sa dilim. Oh, oh, oh. Isigaw mo sa akin, tumindig at magsilbing liwanag, liwanag sa dilim. Sigaw mo sa hangin, tumindig at magsilbing liwanag sa dilim. Harapin mo, magiting ang bagong awitin. Liwanag. Liwanag sa dilim.
Avance, I would like to commend all the candidates for showing courage, confidence, and commitment throughout this campaign. You have all stepped up, shared your platforms, and present yourself with dignity and purpose. Win or lose, you have already made your mark by simply choosing to believe. To our future SBO officer, may you always lead with heart, humanity, and genuine desire. Uplift your fellow students. This is not just a title, it is responsibility, and I believe with the right mindset, you are all capable of doing great things. Thank you to everyone who helped make this event meaningful and successful. Let us continue to build a school community where leadership, respect, and unity thrive. Once again, thank you everyone to attend the meeting the Avance, including those assist in making all event possible.